Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge photos in Lightroom. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, open the Lightroom. I've got some photos that I will be using. It opens up in the main library, but I'm going to import here on the bottom left. Just highlight, select all the photos, bring them in. It's gonna bring up all photos right here. So highlight them all. Then I'm going to go up here to photo, then photo merge HDR. You will see these settings. You have to wait for it to create the HDR preview. Then just tap on this merge. Literally, this is simple as that. So Lightroom is going to do its work. Usually takes less than 10 or 15 seconds depending on how much you are going on. Then it's going to pop up right here and go to this develop, and you can start to edit. That's the merge image. As you can see here, these are the merge images. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to merge photos in Lightroom. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.